Hi, welcome back for another unboxing. Today I have this box from Saks Fifth Avenue. It's a pair of shoes. I don't know why they sent me in such a big box. It can totally cover the whole screen. But let's open it and see how it looks. Ooh. Look like they pack it real well. Take out the receipt. So here is my shoes and some free box stuffing, tissue paper, box stuffing. Look at that, the box they used to ship my shoes. Let's take it out. So this is a pair of sneakers that made in Japan. It's from Onitsuka Tiger. It's called Nippon made Viccka. I think I pronounced it right. In a cute purple color shoe box. And some tissues. Wow, it's pretty. Better than I thought. So while researching on these Onitsuka Tiger shoes, I kind of heard that some people say that it used to be when Nike started, they didn't really make their own sneakers. They just import the one from Onitsuka Tiger and maybe rebrand or sell it in US. This is the outsole. Looks like it has good grip. And the design of the sneakers. The shoe tongue has their branding. I like that a pop of red. It's really pretty. So this is a, not sure if you could tell from the screen, it's a pair of leather sneakers. And I like that they have this streamlined kind of design, that this panel, the white lines that going across, and look like at the back it has this design that look like it go under this black panel. And inside of it also feature a leather lining. So this should feel pretty comfortable. Not sure if you could tell, I think the one that made in Japan, they tend to be kind of narrower. It definitely looks narrower. The shape of the body looks narrower. So if you have a wider fit, you may want to try it in store before buying it online, just in case. But this one I bought it from Saks Fifth Avenue. You can go check it out. Maybe they have some in store that you can try on before buying them. This pair only comes with a black color shoelaces. I would think if I could find maybe the vintage creamy white color would look so good on this sneaker. What do you think? And on the lining, it does say made in Japan. It has this kanji. I think for Chinese pronunciation you would say 日本制, but I'm not sure how they pronounce it in Japan, but it does say made in Japan in this kanji character. So now let's try it on and see how it looks on my feet. So this is how it looks on my feet. It definitely feels narrower. And in terms of padding, it's not as much as New Balance sneakers, but it does feel comfortable. And the size seems to fit me more accurately. This made in Japan sneakers Onitsuka Tiger seems to fit me more accurately, the size, my regular size 9. I noticed that when I bought shoes from European company, they tend to be a little bit bigger. I feel like oftentimes I have to size down like 8.5 or size 8, but this one I would say fit me quite accurately, and it feels pretty good. I like this kind of narrow, sporty look. Look at the back side. Not bad. And I like that it does look very different from American sneakers. So thanks for joining me for today's unboxing, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.